And in Las Vegas, officials say a Tesla Cybertruck exploded and caught fire, killing a person inside the car, injuring 7 others outside President-elect Donald Trump's hotel. This happened just before 9 o'clock yesterday morning. Officials say so far all the injuries from that explosion seem to be minor. The FBI also assisting in this investigation. They say they are certainly looking into who might have been responsible for that incident.
Our number one goal is to ensure that we have the proper identification of the subject involved in this incident. Following that, our second objective is to determine whether this was an act of terrorism or not.
Now, the sheriff of Clark County, Nevada, says that the pickup truck that was involved in the New Orleans incident and the Cybertruck in Las Vegas were rented from the same company, Turo. He says law enforcement does not know yet if those incidents are connected, so they're investigating to see if they are. The FBI says they do not believe there's any threat to the greater public.